The first step is to get your phone. The second step is to watch a YouTube video by pressing the play button. The third stage is to receive real money and real cash directly into your account. How fantastic is it that all you have to do is watch YouTube videos like the one you're watching right now? You can also get compensated in the same way. As you can see, $100 has been deposited into your account. For newcomers who have never made money online before, this is a really simple and straightforward process. It's also absolutely free. You will not be required to pay any money in order to complete it. The good news is that it's available all around the world. Now, in this video, I'll teach you how to do everything step by step, including how to sign up for a free account and how to take advantage of a range of bonuses that can help you earn up to triple your earnings. As a result, make sure to pay attention and finish watching this video. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. So, first and foremost, I would like you to visit this website. Basically, this program lets people like you and me to make money online by watching movies. Consider a few of the most recent withdrawals. They show you how real money is cashed out every day by folks all over the world. Take a look at this. It's only today, but we can see how transparent they are about how much money you earn and how much money you can send out. Take a look at these folks from all over the world who can deposit money into their bank accounts, PayPal accounts, or any other payment method they like. Now, I want you to carefully follow each step in this video so that we can begin making money. Now, once you've arrived to the homepage of followfast.com, I want you to click on the join button right here, and you'll be taken to this page where you can register for an account. Now, first and foremost, you can either simply enter your username, email, address, password, and confirm your password again, and your location. It will detect your location automatically right here, so don't be too worried about it. The good news is that they welcome visitors from all over the world, so we have to put that right here. If you're hesitant to write any numbers you'll come across in this scenario, I just type the numbers that show on the screen. Now, once I've completed all of the fields, I'll simply click on these blue connected buttons right here. You'll see something similar to this once you've logged into your account. Don't be concerned. This can be done on your computer or phone. Take a look at the ones on the right. As you can see, your account has not yet been verified. You must also validate your email in order to earn points and get it paid out. That's all you need to begin completely configuring your account. So, we've arrived at your dashboard's homepage. I'd like you to walk into this room and press the YouTube buttons. This is where you'll find your likes, dislikes, and subs. Now, when you get to this page, as you can see, I want you to click on this red play button right here. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page to find where you can begin making money online by viewing YouTube videos. The first piece of advice I have for you is as follows. Please pay great attention since you must view the YouTube video for at least 35 seconds to earn points. Once you've earned enough points, you can now exchange them for cash. So if you want to watch the video in this case, you can gain points by doing so. Isn't just a matter of pressing the blue play button? Yes, this will take you to the YouTube videos that are displayed here. When you return to the homepage, you'll see the 35-second countdown has started. As a result, once these countdowns reach 0, you can score 90 points merely by doing so. This means you don't have to watch the movie because you can pause it directly on the page, return to the website, and wait for the timer to finish its countdown. Then you can use this strategy to earn points. Now, I'll show you another example. As you can see on my new account, which presently has points from simply watching videos. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. If I go further down, you'll see points right here. Let's get started by pressing the play button right now. I'll also direct you to this YouTube video. I simply put the video on hold. I didn't watch them at all. Instead, I went back to the webpage and saw that the countdown had begun. It'll be 3 to 5 seconds before you get paid. All you have to do now is wait, because the points have been put into my account. As you can see, you have unlimited access to YouTube videos, so it's actually quite basic and straightforward. Over the following few days, they'll keep refreshing for you. Now, I'll give you another money-making tip that will double or triple your money. For example, if you want to gain points for watching this video, you can open a new browser on your phone or computer and watch the second video to get another point. Or you can watch both films at once. That is, you do not need to squander 35 seconds watching a single video. Instead, you can create as many new tabs as you like and watch as many films as you want, including 5, 7, or even 10. So to give you an example, let me do it right now. Let's say you open a new tab for this and click on the play button right here. Then you open another tab and watch the second video by just clicking on the play button. Once more, as you can see, I'm gonna watch one video then another video at the same time. I may now return to this page and begin the 35-second countdown for the first video. As you can see, the countdown will then begin anew with the second video. So by viewing a lot of YouTube videos and earning a lot of money faster than other people, this is a really cool and incredibly efficient strategy for you to watch 5, 10, or even 20 videos at the same time. As they can see, the credit points were immediately added to your account. Points were added to my balance when I returned to this website after watching 10 or 20 videos at once. It's a really neat and effective way to generate many revenue sources. So, while you're watching YouTube videos like this one, go to the gear setting right here and change the playback speed from regular to double. Simply click on the 2 here, and we'll be able to play the video twice as fast. As a result, you'll be able to make money more quickly. You can watch a lot more videos, make a lot of more money online if you want to. If you put forth the effort, another additional step I'll offer you is if you go to the quality section right here and select automatic, you can actually slow down to 144p. As a result, we may watch in low resolution and save a lot of time and data on your phone. As a result, you'll be able to watch more videos and earn more money. Now it's time to move on to the next bonus. You'll be brought to a website where you can claim daily or hourly bonus points if you click on the daily bonus buttons. By just logging into your account every day and watching 50 videos, you can earn 100 points per day. Alternatively, you can watch 15 videos and earn 100 daily points, which is a big amount of points. For example, you can only earn roughly 4 points by watching this video, but once we have this bonus, we can easily gain 100 more points. You can also earn extra bonus points and 25 points every hour with an hourly bonus. A fantastic opportunity to be paid hourly or receive daily bonuses by just going to the daily bonus section and watching more videos. Finally, if you want to withdraw your funds, simply click this cash out option. You'll be sent to a website where you can choose a payment method to withdraw your funds. If you don't have PayPal, Perfect Money, or Bitcoin, for example, you can cash out in other places. If you don't have these options right now, don't worry. You can get money in a variety of ways. They accept people from all over the world and offer a number of payment options, as you can see here. So when you've earned points by merely watching videos, you may turn those points into cash. To cash out your money, all you have to do is earn between $1 and 50 cents. This is the minimum payout scheme, which implies that if you earn $1.50, you will receive $1.50. All you have to do now is wait 3 to 5 business days for your package to arrive. That's all there is to it, and these are practically limitless that you can view every day to earn money online. That's all there is to it. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below, and we'll see you again next time.